I like to think of myself as a patient advocate. My primary concern is to take care of my patient and my patient's needs. If a patient hasn't had a root canal before, there's usually a lot of anxiety.
You hear from people that it's going to be quite painful, really uncomfortable, not really too sure how you're going to feel afterwards.
Sometimes when patients have had root canals and things didn't turn out well, there's a lot of fear.
As I thought back to my root canals in the past, all I could remember was the fact that in the end it was painful. There were surprise pains during the process.
We have many patients that have had the gentle wave procedure. A common result that I keep hearing back from patients are that it was so much easier than previous root canals.
If I had one word to describe the gentle wave experience, it would be easy.
It's an easy procedure. It's comfortable. It's not what you typically think of when you hear about a root canal.
And they had so much less discomfort after the procedure than they had in the past.
I had no sensation during the process, nothing like I'd feared or recalled in the past. I was braced for surprises, there never were any, and suddenly it was over.
It's much simpler. It's often completed in one visit. It's a lot more predictable than conventional endodontics, and the results that we're seeing have been fantastic.
If you have a busy life and you want to get back to your routine, this is the way to go.